Science Corner. In this session, we shall see lesson 4, parts of a plant. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, post them in the YouTube comment chat. Comment the comments. Now we'll move on to the lesson. Parts of a plant. The learning checklist is root system, shoot system and germination. So let's get started. Look at a picture of a plant given below. So you can see a plant given below. Name any 4 parts of a plant. So you have to name any 4 parts of the plant. Okay. So number 1 I wrote as fruit. It is your own choice. And number 2 is flower. So fruits you can see fruits are rounding and red color, and flower. So you can see here, and leaf. So this is the leaf, and the root. So this is the root. Okay. So plants are wonderful gift of nature to human beings. So plants are very wonderful gift for nature to human beings. We see many plants around us. They are of different sizes and shapes. So we see many plants around us. Yes, they are of different sizes and shapes. It is also yes. Like we have different body parts, a plant also has different parts. Let us learn more about the different parts of a plant. So parts of a plant. So a plant is divided into 2 major parts. So plant is 2 parts. Okay. So there are such as the root system and the shoot system. Okay, let us read the shoot system. So what is the shoot system? The part of a plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. So a part of a plant that grow above the ground is called as shoot system. So this is the shoot system. And here you can see root. This is the root system. So the shoot system consists of stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Not roots. So the roots will come in root system. So we will read root system. What is root system? The part of a plant that grows below the ground is called the shoot system. So a part that grows below the ground, under the ground, it is the shoot system. So the root system consists of roots which fix the plant into the soil. So root system consists of roots which fix the plant into the soil. So roots will only fix the plant into the soil. Okay. So this is the parts of a plant we can read. So parts of a plant. So first is flower, leaf, branches, fruits, stem. These are the shoot system, and these are root. So this is root system. Okay, say with me one more time. Flower, leaf, branches, fruit, stem and roots. So the root. Now we are going to read about roots. So it is the underground part of a plant. Yes. Roots grow deep into the ground. They also spread wide across the soil in search of water. So root will only take the water and give to the stem. Then the plants make its own food. So they hold soil particles and fix the plant firmly into the soil. So they hold in the soil particles, okay, and it will fix the plant firmly into the soil. Okay. There are mainly two types of roots. So we see two major parts. One is shoot system and root system. Now, root system, inside the root system, that is one more two main parts. So there are tap roots and fibrous roots. So what is a tap root? So it has one main root which grows from the base of the stem into the soil. So root system will have only one main root, which with that the small roots will come. Okay. So this is the picture of tap root. So you can see one main root is going rare. You can see. I am marking it as red color. Okay, now these are the small roots come from the main root. Okay, so this is the tap root. Now many small roots grow from the main root. Small roots will grow from the main root. Okay. So main root is the first root that appears from the seed. So the main root is only the first root that appears from the seed. So only first the main root will appear from the seed. Okay. Only roots will first come. Okay. So plants such as bean, carrot and balsam have taproot. So these are the example. More than these are many plants have taproot. Okay. So what is fibrous root? So it is a bunch of small thin roots that grow from the base of the stem. So we see in taproot it has one main root, but this fibrous root don't have any main root. It is all small roots that appears from the base of the stem. Okay. So it has no main root, but taproot has one main root. Okay. Some plants have fibrous roots are grass, paddy and wheat. So these are example. Not only these are there are more plants. So these are the fibrous root system. Fibrous root. So you can see many roots grow there. So you cannot understand what is the main root. So it is not known main root. Okay. So we are going to study function of roots. So roots hold the soil particles and help the plants to remain fixed to soil. So roots will hold the soil particles. So soil particles means in the soil there are many things. So that roots will hold and help the plant to remain fixed to the soil. Okay. So roots absorb water, nutrients and minerals from the soil. So root will observe. What means observe? So observe means to take in. So roots will observe water, minerals and nutrients from the soil. So soil is also have water, nutrients and minerals. If we put water, then it will come. Okay. No. So some roots store food. So roots will also store food. Plants such as radish, carrot, and beetroot store food in their roots. So some plants such as radish, carrot and beetroot store food in their roots. But roots are underground parts. It will store the food in also roots. So we can eat roots of such plants. So we can eat also the roots, not only the plant product. We can eat the root root also. Okay. Okay. So next slide. So we are going to read about the stem. So the stem forms the main part of the shoot system. So stem is a shoot system part, right? So that is the main part of the shoot system, not root system. Okay. So it helps to keep the plant straight and erect. What means erect? Erect means also straight. Okay, it helps the plant to keep straight. So it will help the plant to keep the straight. Then the stem is not there, the plant will not there. So it will give support to the plant. So the stems can be of different types. So the types of stems are, they are soft in young plants. So they are soft in young plants also. But they become hard and strong when plants grow into trees to form the trunk. So hard and strong, this means trunk. Not the elephant trunk, it is a plant's trunk. Okay. Okay. So the tender stems are green in color and the trunks are brown in color. So tender means soft, okay. Young, okay. The young stems are green in color, while the trunks are brown in color. Not elephant's trunk, it is a plant's trunk. So some plants such as money plant, watermelon and grapevine have weak stem. So money plant, watermelon and grapevine have weak stem. Okay. So function of the roots. So we are going to study functions of the stem. So stems keep the plant up straight and give support to them. Right. It has many branches that bear leaves, buds, flowers and the fruits. So it has many branches, right? Not only one branch, it will have more than 3 or 4. So the branches of the trees bear leaves, buds, flowers and many branch. So the branch of the trees will bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Okay. Okay. So there's one mistake here. So you have to take it as done. So the stem carries the water, food and minerals to all other parts of a plant. Okay, so the stem carries water, food, minerals to all the parts of a plant, not only for the leaf. All the parts of a plant it will carry. What will it carry? Minerals, nutrients and water. Okay? Okay. Now, so here also one mistake here, it is plants, okay? Plants such as sugar cane store extra food in the stem. So plants such as sugar cane store the foods in the stem. Not only root it will store food. It will also store food in the stem also. Okay? Okay. So stems of some plants such as potato and ginger grow under the soil and store food prepared by them. So some stems will also grow under the soil also. Stems can grow under the soil also. So for example, potato and ginger. So potato and ginger grow under the soil, but it is not a root, it is a stem. Okay. So also stores food prepared by them also. Okay. Okay. So these underground stems are eaten as food. So some stems also store water for the plant. So stems will also store water for the plant. Okay. So plants such as for desert cacti have thick fleshy stems that store water for the plant. So plants like desert cacti, it don't have more water, it have only less water. It has thick and fleshy stems. It will store water for the plant in its stem. So desert cacti will be what? It will be sharp. Okay. Okay. So the leaf. We are going to study of the leaves. Okay. So it is the most important parts of a plant. Here, stem will form the main part of the shoot system, but stem leaf will form important parts of a plant. Okay, so most of the leaves are green in color. Yes, the leaves are in green in colors, but later it will be golden and red, some colors. Okay, so let us read. They are usually flat, broad and thin. So leaves are flat and broad and thin. So you see the leaf in your garden or outside anywhere. Okay, so this is the leaf picture. Can you see it? So okay, so let us read parts of a leaf. Function of the leaf will come in the next slide. So we will read the parts of a leaf. So the flat and broad part of a leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. So the flat broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. Okay. It is also called flat and broad surface in the leaf is called as what? Leaf blade or lamina. So we can call this as lamina also or leaf blade also. So let us read the third parts of a plant. Parts of a leaf. The line which is seen at the center of a leaf is called the main vein or the midrib. So the line which is seen at the center of the leaf. So you can see a line in the center of a leaf. So that is called as midrib or main vein also. So what? Midrib and main vein also. Okay, it will seen in the center, not in the side of the leaf. It will see in the center of the leaves. Okay, so the point, the lines present on either side of the main vein are called side veins. So the lines present on either side of the main vein are called side veins. So main vein is there and side will connect the leaf to the midrib. So that is called as side veins. What? Side veins. Okay? Okay. So the part that connects the branch to the leaf is called the leaf stack or petiole. So the part that connects the branch to the leaf is called the leaf stack or petiole. So what will connect the leaves to the branch? So that name is leaf stack or petiole. So it will connect the leaf to the branch. That only leaf will work for the plant. Okay. So here mentioned they mentioned the leaves. So it will read. So leaf stack. What is leaf stack? Leaf stack will connect the branch. Connect the leaf to the branch. So main. So you can see a main vein here going here. So this is called main vein. This is the center part of a leaf. So side veins. So you can see here small tiny here. Okay. So these are called as side veins. And here is leaf blade. What is leaf blade? Broad and flat surface is called as what? Leaf blade. So here one part is missing in this picture. That is stomata. So I will explain the stomata. So stomata, in our human body we have nose to breathe. Then what will plants to breathe? It is also a living thing. But what will help the plant to breathe? So that is the question here. So plant will breathe out of stomata. So the tiny holes present on and underside of the leaf is called as stomata. It will help the plant to grow. It will help the plant to breathe. Okay. So let us go to the function of leaf. So number 1 is leaves are called the food factory or kitchen of the plant because they make food for the plant. So that is what. Leaves are also called as food factory or the kitchen. Why it is mentioned as food factory or kitchen? So it will make make the food for the plant. Then the plant will grow. That's why here important. It is mentioned as important part of a plant. Yes, correct. Is also correct. So we can also call the leaf is called as food factory or the kitchen. Why is we are calling food factory or kitchen? So because they will make the food for the plants. So let us read the second point. So leaves have a green color substance called chlorophyll, which helps to absorb sunlight. So absorb means to take in. I told in the before slide. So chlorophyll is a green color pigment in the leaves. So here you can see the leaf is green color. Why is this green color is there? So in that substance there is a chlorophyll. So it will take the green color pigment out of the water. So sunlight. So sunlight will also help the plant to make food. Okay, so it will help absorb the sunlight. Okay, let us read the third part. So green leaves prepare food for the plants using air, water, and sunlight. This process is called as photosynthesis. What? Photosynthesis. So green leaves, not only green leaves, many leaves will prepare food for the plants using air, water and sunlight. Then animals and human beings are depend on plants because they will make their own food using air, water and sunlight. But human beings and animals cannot make its own food. So this process is called as photosynthesis. What process? Plant will prepare food for its own food for the plant using air, water and sunlight is called as photosynthesis. What? Photosynthesis. Okay. So let us read the fourth point. So they are tiny openings on the underside of the leaves called stomata. They help the plants to breathe. That's what I explained. So they are tiny openings on the another side of the leaves is called as stomata. They will help the plant to breathe. So stomata will also help the plant for making food for the plant. So it will help so it has a tiny openings, not big opening, very tiny. We can see with only what? So we can see only the tiny openings with the microscope. So this is the picture of microscope. Okay. So we have to keep the eyes here and it will zoom out and we can see the stomatas. Okay, we will read the point 5. So some plants such as what? Fenugreek, mint and spinach store food in their leaves. So in Hindi we will call fenugreek as methi. Okay, so we eat leaves of such plants. So we can eat the leaves of such plants like fenugreek, mint and spinach. Such plants, mint and spinach. We can eat such of the plants. So in one science's context, so leaves purify air by giving out oxygen. So this is a process. What process means? So this process is like a recycle. What we okay. This process is called as recycle. Okay, so we will get oxygen from leaves. Then we will study in our body. We will take the oxygen inside our lungs and we will replace the oxygen into carbon dioxide and we will give what the carbon dioxide. Then the carbon dioxide will go to plants. Then carbon dioxide will take the leaf will take the carbon dioxide and it will replace and give out oxygen. Like that it will go. Okay, so this is the recycle. Okay, so we will read of flowers. So most plants bear flowers. Yes, they vary in color, shapes, size and smell. So flowers are different color, shapes, size and smell also. So flowers of balsam from buds. They may be single or appear in bunches. So we are going to read function of stems. Function of flowers. So most flowers become fruit which contain one or more seeds. So flowers become fruits. We can eat the fruits. So flowers will become fruits which contain one or more seeds. It will contain one or more seeds. So flower will become fruits and contain one or more seeds. So the seeds help the plant to reproduce. So like human body is reproducing, plant will also reproducing. So the seeds is the baby plant. Inside the seed it will have a baby plant inside the seed. So it will grow and it will have big plant and it will bear flowers, and flowers become a fruit, and it will put the seeds in the soil and it will grow a plant. Okay, so like that it will go. Okay, so cauliflower and broccoli are example of some flowers that we eat. So cauliflower we can eat, broccoli also we can eat. So they are the example of flowers that we eat. We can eat flowers such as cauliflowers and broccoli. Okay, now let us read the flowers and seeds. Flowers and seeds. So one change is that fruits and seeds, not flowers and seeds, fruits and seeds. So many plants bear different kind of fruits. Most fruits have seeds in them. Some fruits have only one seed while some have many seeds. For example, a watermelon has many seeds. An orange has a few seeds. So whereas a mango has only one seed. New plants grow from seeds. A seed has a baby plant inside it, which grows into a new plant. So function of fruits and seeds. So we eat fruits of many plants as they are fleshy, juicy and tasty. So example, watermelon, mango, etc. So we eat some seeds such as bean, corn and rice as our food. We also eat some seeds such as pepper and cumin as spices. So seeds of rice, wheat and maize are called cereals. Seeds of Bengal gram, chickpeas, lentils are called pulses. Cereals and pulses form an important part of our diet. Seed stores food for the baby plant. Seeds will also store the food, not only stem and roots. Okay. So before we go to germination, we have one reviews and recall. So I hold the plant firmly into the soil. So the answer is root. Root will hold the plant firmly into the soil. We see, right? Yes. So second statement, I held the plant to stand upright. So the answer is stem. It is correct. I am also called the kitchen of the plant. The answer is kitchen. Leaf. I am found inside the fruits. What will found inside the fruits? They are seeds. So germination. Most plants grow from the seeds. When the seed is buried into the soil, the baby plant inside it starts growing into a new plant. When it gets the right amount of water, sunlight and air, the process of growth of a new plant from a seed is called germination. So germination. What is germination process? Germination process means when a seed is growing to a new plant is called as germination. So to grow it has right amount of water, sunlight and air. Then only it will grow. Otherwise it will not grow. So here's the pictures of germination. So germination of a bean seed. Can you see germination of bean seed? So first seed is there, and inside it get the roots, and we get the short stems, and we get the leaves, and the leaves are growing. Like that it will grow. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. For any questions, post them in the comment box.